Byers Remodeling is a small family-owned, quality-conscious remodeling company. We're a full-service remodeling company specializing in kitchen and bath, but we also do additions and basements. I've been in this business for 25 years and I enjoy what I do. I enjoy rehabbing spaces and working with the folks that I get to work with. I'm Green Certified Professional with National Association of Modeling Industry. We have a 2010 Guild Quality Guild Master Award. I'm on the job site every day. You get access to me. We try to exceed our customers' expectations every day. Everybody on our staff and our team really goes out to do a great job and take care of the customer.
Dean is a hands-on contractor. He was here every day. You could call him anytime. He's a man of high integrity. He does what he tells you he's going to do. It's really a pleasure to work with. His crew is very professional. If I had to do another project, I would definitely work with Dean.
In today's climate, I think it's really important that when you hire a contractor, you hire a licensed, insured contractor. And I think that's really important for homeowners to do. You're going to get attention with us, and you're also going to get a contractor who's responsible and who's licensed, who's insured, who's here to stay.